Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use the keyboard in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go ahead to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with finding all the instruments we can play. We have the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with using the keyboard. So guys, the first thing you want to do, once you open up the application and you are in this main menu, what you want to do is scroll until you find the keyboard option. So guys, as you can see, after scrolling, we have now found the keyboard option, and now we can go ahead and get started opening it. So I'm going to tap on the option right here and it's going to open up the keyboard, and now we can get started recording. So what you're going to use is the recording button right here at the top of the screen. This is the big red circle, which once you click is going to start the recording process. So I'm going to go ahead and record a tune. You have your keys right here that you can go ahead and get started with playing, and you can go ahead and select what you want to play. So click the recording button. As you can see, it's now going to start recording. And after getting your recording, now we can go into mixing mode. So I have finished the recording. Go right here in the upper left corner, click on mixing mode, which is going to open up this edit mode where we can find all the options that we have. As you can see, we have our grand piano, what that we have recorded, the keyboard, and so on. All the options are available right here. But yeah, guys, you can go ahead and get started with mixing your tracks, getting your desired song, and after that, go ahead and add even more instruments if you need to. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.